Are you looking for the best RV solar? In this video we will look at some of best 7 RV solar on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Renegy 200W 12V Solar RV Kit. This kit has everything you need for easy installation on your RV or camper. It's made specifically for first-time solar panel users with a straightforward, user-friendly design. For smaller van conversions, you're probably better off with a portable power station, but this is exactly the kit you need for mid-sized vehicles like sprinter vans or camper trailers and medium-sized RVs, where you want the convenience of power going directly to your rig's battery. The two 100-watt solar panels are rigid but relatively lightweight at 18 pounds, and the kit comes with everything you need to mount them. The included charge controller has LED indicators that allow you to monitor charging, which will help you avoid overcharging or, worse, overloading your system. They also alert you to input changes due to weather conditions like rain, clouds, or nightfall. The aluminum frame panels are UV and corrosion resistant to withstand high winds, rain, snow, and blazing heat, so they'll take just about whatever the elements throw at you. For anyone looking to install their first RV solar panels on their own, this kit is an excellent pick. Number 2. Ecoworthy 100W 12V Solar Panel. There's nothing fancy about these panels from Ecoworthy, but that's kind of the point. They're exactly what you need if you're looking to set up solar panels on your RV for as little as possible. They're the perfect size for mounting via the pre-drilled mounting holes, and you should be able to fit 3 to 4 of them on most RV rooftops. They come with integrated 35-inch connectors that run into a waterproof junction box, and the whole panel is waterproofed with sealed and tempered glass. They're surprisingly durable for such low-cost panels, too. Once you've got them on your RV roof, however, they should last for years. Number 3. Go Power Overlander 190W Solar Kit for RVs. This extremely large 12-volt panel draws up to 190 watts of power to keep any battery charged on long trips, camping, or on the road. It's a bit heavy, 26 pounds, but its anodized aluminum frame and durable tempered glass panels hold up well against rough weather. Customers report easy installation and that the controller maintains power in their RVs, even in less than ideal conditions like partly cloudy skies and rain. If you need more power, the company sells an expansion kit that doubles the output. It's designed for seamless connectivity between your existing solar power system and the panels you want to add for more power. If you need a lot of juice, this is probably the best mounted panel for the job. Number 4. Renegy 100W 12V Flexible RV Solar Panel. This bendable RV solar panel is great for uneven surfaces like airstreams and vans, or propped up facing the sun at your campsite. It weighs just 4 pounds and can withstand high winds, rain, and snow. The mounting uses silicone adhesive for permanent installation without any drilling. It can flex up to 248 degrees without any micro cracks forming, which is handy for hitting the right angle after midday. Customers like the slim profile of these panels and say the output is great for such lightweight panels. These are best suited for small camper setups or as expansions to larger RV solar energy systems, as just 1 or 2 of these aren't enough for a large RV with a lot of appliances. Number 5. Bluetti PV350 Solar Panel. Bluetti makes some of the best solar gear in the industry, and the PV350 solar panel is an upscale buy that's worth the investment. It absorbs up to 350 watts per hour, which is huge for a folding panel. At the same time, it's remarkably compact, folding down to a compact 35.6 by 24.1 inches for easy storage. There's a downside, of course. It weighs 30 pounds, which may make it tough to set up. You can't beat that size to wattage ratio, though. It's also designed for efficiency. The cells are wired in parallel, rather than in a daisy-chained configuration like you find in most cheaper panels. This allows it to continue collecting power when mostly shaded. Many panels will stop operating if they aren't getting very good coverage. The PV350 is also well built. Nick took one on a trip through the deserts of Utah and Nevada, where it saw no shortage of hard treatment from dust, wind, and my own rough handling, but emerged without any major damage. That said, it isn't fully waterproof. You can leave it out through a light drizzle, but avoid charging on rainy days. Number 6. Goal Zero Nomad 100. Goal Zero is known for making tough, outdoor-friendly solar gear for camping. Case in point, the Nomad 100 is perfect for pretty much any camping scenario, whether you're charging up your RV or a portable power station. Weatherproof and built like a rock, it's designed with tie-down loops around the frame. These are great for both staking it into the ground or affixing it to your RV rooftop to keep it in place when the wind kicks up. The Nomad 100 folds down to a comparatively small 20 by 15 by 2 inches. It's easy to pack and move around. It draws 100 watts, which is good for its size, but you may need a few of them to fully charge up an RV. To that end, you can daisy-chain multiple Nomads without a splitter. That said, its 8mm plug is not universally compatible with all systems and power stations. Many support it, but you may need an adapter if yours has a different port. Number 7. Jackary Explorer 2000 Plus Solar Generator Bundle. You see Jackary gear everywhere in the RV/van life scene these days, because the brand offers such an expansive variety of dependable solar products. After using many Jackary generators, I found the 2000 Plus brings the perfect balance between physical size and capacity. Its 2000 watt-hour capacity is plenty for most campers, but it isn't so large that you can't bring it out when you need it. Weighing a hefty 96 pounds, it isn't exactly light, but compensates for the heft with integrated wheels and a telescoping handle, so you only need to lift it to get it on and off your vehicle. Plus, it has a 25A plug, so it's designed specifically to bring on an RV. This kit pairs the 2000 Plus with two of Jackary's 200W Solar Saga panels, which are among the best you can find. They're very durable. I can't tell you how hard I've worked them over the years. Plus, they fold down to an easy-to-carry package and are reliable in most sunlight conditions. And, if you need even more juice at some point, you can expand the 2000 Plus capacity with up to 5 of the brand's 2000 Plus battery packs, which can store as much as 12,000 watt-hours of power. That's more than you'll ever need on an RV, but it's always nice to have the option.